Ooh, stunning. Welcome to my dorm room. I am excited to show you guys what living in Nagler Hall in New York City at FIT is really all about. All right, so this is my roommate's side. I'm not really going to show much because I didn't tell her I was filming it. But here's our communal or shared snack box. It's actually overflowing right now for the first time, and it's Little Life. So we both actually eat pretty healthy. Raquel's been going vegan recently, and I'm vegetarian, so I mean that doesn't really qualify that we're healthy, but I'd like to think we are. Don't mind the queso, but yes. Okay, so things that I have in my snack bin. I have fig bars for like breakfast when I have class early in the morning. I just got these at Whole Foods, these Annie's Cheddar Bunnies. Oh my god, they're so good. The box is almost gone. But luckily, if I can find it, it was a 2 for $5 sale. So I got another one too that is full. Pumped about that. And then I've also been snacking on this trail mix. So yeah, and I keep actually all my stuff for avocado toast in here because I eat a lot of avocado toast. And I just keep like spices and stuff in here because the food kind of lacks flavor. Here, I even have like red pepper flakes and stuff because the food's really bland here, so I just spice it up. But yep, here's our little snack bin. All right, moving on. I have my nice TV, which I watch The Bachelor on and RuPaul all the time. And then I have my sign that my friend gave me, Julia, shout out to Julia. And I have Hot Mess on it because it's kind of like my lifestyle. And then I have my diffuser, which is actually really good because you can't have candles in dorm rooms. So this helps the room smell really good. And then I have my lavender essential oils that I put in there. And then of course my fan, because FIT doesn't believe in air conditioning. So I used the fan all summer and like fall, I guess, because it was just so unbearably hot in here. Okay, and then right above my bed I have these hooks, which is actually really nice. So I put my backpack, which I only used the first day of school because quickly realized that no one at FIT uses a backpack. So I had to get these bags. I had this one for a while. I call this my mom bag. I used it all throughout high school for like costumes and stuff like that. So it's got some mems, and then I got a black one because I always needed a black one because I wear a lot of black. But honestly, the bags are more helpful because, here, I'll show you. If I take it down, I actually have to have a lot of stuff for my classes. It's really heavy. So in here, I literally have like a random ass bowl because I need like something to put water in for when I'm painting at classes, and then I have like folders of stuff and like a whole paint kit I had to buy. So there's just like a lot of stuff you need for like many of the classes. So it doesn't really fit in a backpack. So I'm glad I had this thing. I'm gonna put that on back. Okay, so yeah. So if you go to FIT, definitely get a bag because no one wears backpacks here really. Okay, and then next to my bed, I got this really cute nightstand that actually rolls, and this is from Marshall's. I think it was like 30 bucks, which is like, but I really needed one, and I actually use it to film on because I don't have like a tripod or anything. But yeah, so you kind of need a nightstand. I obviously use that a lot. I clean like what's that called? That heater, whatever it is, radiator, I don't know. But I use that a lot. But I cleaned it up because I don't really like stuff on there. So I just keep like my vitamins on here and my glasses. And then I have my toiletries, like the stuff I use every day, like twice a day. So I just keep it like an easy reach. And then there I put my laptop. There's some like Valentine's there, but yeah. So we're gonna ignore that. And then FIT actually is really good with storage. So I have my jeans drawer, which is like overflowing. All my drawers are overflowing because I have too much stuff. And then this one is like full of shirts that I wear on the daily. And this is like pajamas. So just like old t-shirts and stuff. My Harry Styles shirt, shout out. They don't always close because they're kind of stuffed. Alright. And then this one I usually keep my workout clothes in. So that's that one. Close. Alright. And then the last one, I keep like underwear and bras and like sports bras and stuff. Oh, and a random shirt. Okay. Closing that. Alright. And then we have my bed. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Alright, so I have my bed here. The lighting's kind of weird. It's like a light blue. It's not as blue as this is making it look like. But yeah, so I have like multiple blankets on my bed because this room is freezing. I actually had to call maintenance about my heat like 4 times. So they kind of fixed it now, so it's not as cold in here, but it's definitely cold. And then I decorated my room in like different kinds of art. So whenever I go to a museum, I actually get like prints from there or even postcards and just hang them up. So there's that. And then over here, I have my beautiful little flower wreath kind of thing, whatever. And you can see how I made that on my YouTube channel. Actually, there's a video, so go check that one out. And then I have my pretty little, I guess like lantern thing. I'm not really sure what to call it, but my cousin got me that from Vietnam. Thank you, Angelica. Or no, maybe Thailand. One or the other. She just travels the world, so she gets me stuff. And then I have my Les Dems poster, my painting that I made, which is my favorite thing in the whole world, and then some more art. I actually always keep flowers in my room. These ones look really sad, but I always get flowers from Trader Joe's because there's like not much nature around here, and I need like a little nature in my life. So I just get my flowers every week. It's only like $3 a week, and I honestly think it's worth it. So yeah, and then here we'll go show my view. So you can actually see the Empire State Building. You can see it better from my side. Except I kind of left the windows open the one day. That's why it's all like gross like this. But yeah, so the Empire State Building's there. It's great at night because it's all lit up. So I have like an amazing view. And then, let's see. Over here, this is just kind of like my shower caddy is here where I keep all my shower stuff. My shower flip-flops, which I only wear in the shower because I just think that's gross to wear them. And then I have my mega pack of Mott's applesauce. Shout out to Colleen Ballinger because she knows the applesauce obsession. And then over here, I just keep my suitcase for if I ever want to leave New York City on a whim or travel to Europe. I don't know. We'll see. This semester's kind of stressful. And then this is like where I keep my cleaning supplies. I kind of hide it because it's ugly. So I just have like my... This is literally a return I bought 5 minutes ago and have to return it now. But yeah, I keep my paper towels, which everyone always did roll paper towels. It's like essential for a dorm room. I always use paper towels. My Clorox wipes, or my knockoff Clorox wipes, because I am poor. So that's pretty much it. And then I have my window cleaner, which I use in my mirrors, and then brings us over to the desk area. So on top, I just have like this painting my dad got me. It's interesting, to say the least. So I have that, and then I have my RBG pin, and just like some stuff. This is actually like my favorite thing ever. So this is a Brighton Beach memoir playbill from like when it was on Broadway. So it's actually like pretty old, and I got this here one of the first days I was here, and I just kind of felt like it was a sign because Brighton Beach was my first play I ever did really in high school, and just like one of my favorites, and it really like started off my costume love. So I have that, and that just kind of means like a lot to me, and it's in front of my Kim Kardashian West body perfume. Probably not the best spot because their like ass is like right there, but this is my favorite perfume and I love it. And here are my books I have to read for class. Yes, I am a college freshman and I'm reading the book Wonder. Yep, is that for 4th graders? You would be correct. Then my Call Me By Your Name, oh, great book. Did I also read Tuesdays with Maury in maybe middle school or high school? Yes. So that's a little disappointing, but really challenging reads here at FIT. And then I just have my bowls and my plate, which I don't really use because they just get like super dusty and I don't have a place to clean them. Like I'd have to go down to the bottom floor to clean anything, so it's just annoying. And then I have my little celestial chart, which I got at Rehoboth Beach, so I like that. And then below here, there's me, hi. And I have my, so where I keep my makeup. So I actually got this bin at Kmart because I left my one at home. And I just keep all my skincare products here. So I have my Mario Badescu Acid Toner, whatever that is, and then my exfoliating mask and my lotion. So just keep all that stuff here. I keep my makeup in here, like my lip glosses and powders and stuff like that. And then this is really gross, my concealer, so we're gonna hide that. But I actually took a mail organizer thing and I use it to display my palettes, which I think is actually really helpful because then you don't like know which ones you have out and stuff like that. So I have my Morphe palette, my other Morphe palette, and then just some of my palettes are in here. And it's like my Too Faced one, which I really don't like that much, and then this one by Juvia's Place. So yeah. So just kind of keep those there so they're organized and not taking up a lot of space. I really like that. I had that in my room at home too. And then over here I keep all my brushes and just a little mug from Disney World that I really like from Beauty and the Beast. So yeah, here are my brushes when I do my makeup. And then my hair stuff and my lotion. So yeah, this is like the desk area, I guess. I don't really use my desk. I just use it for makeup. I'd rather do my work on my bed. And then we have like our drawers, which I just keep a bunch of random shit in. Like that. Just a bunch of random stuff. My hamper full of dirty clothes. And then for the closet. So actually the closets here at FITea are really nice. I mean, if you're a Nagler, I saw my friends in Kaufman and I don't like theirs at all. But, so we have these really nice like built-ins, and it actually holds like a lot of clothes. Like I have all my jackets here, my dresses. Yes, this is a new one I got. So I just have like all my clothes in here, and then I keep my sweaters at the top. They're very disorganized because it's kind of hard because it goes back actually, I don't know if you can see that, but it goes back really deep. So it's just like hard to keep things straight in there because I have to like stand up and pull things down. Then I keep my skirts here, and then my shoe game is so strong, so I have all my shoes displayed like this. Look at that. So yeah, the closets are actually really nice. And then on top I keep my extra comforter and then my Gucci purse because no one can steal it. Hopefully anyone watching this. My door is always locked. And then I have my Jeffrey Campbell shoebox, which actually, bring it over here. I use it to keep like my mementos and stuff from being here. So I have like, there's the cap. So I have like my Chicago playbill, and just like my tickets and stuff, and just things that I've done while I've been here. Just like special things and notes and stuff. So I keep that all in here because I just love this box. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this dorm tour of my room, at least. Yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below or anything like that. Living here is like alright, I guess. It's not like my favorite thing because you can't have a microwave or a refrigerator, so that's kind of difficult. And then also to know if you're gonna live here, FITea is something like 80% commuter, so there's not many people that live here. So it's kind of like, that kind of sucks about it. So like most of the people you meet actually don't live here, they just live somewhere else in New York. That's why I'd want to move off. Like I don't really want to live here anymore. So I don't know. But I like my dorm now. It's a lot better than the other dorms. If you live on the bottom floors of Nagler, right now they're not renovated, so they don't look like this, and they're just like not great to say the least. So just know that if you do live here, it's like 80% commuter, and on the weekends, like no one is here. It's literally a ghost town. You like won't see anyone, which is just kind of weird, especially when you're in New York City. But other than that, I really can't complain. This dorm's not too bad. I mean, I didn't have heating for a while, and it's just annoying you don't have a microwave because it takes forever. So you go downstairs and then microwave your food and wait in line and then come back up and it's cold. So that's a little not great. And also with the refrigerator, some people have been like stealing food out of it and like stealing people's ice cream, which is like so shitty. Like you're so poor you can't afford it yourself. Like can't relate. Yeah. So I guess someone like always steals ice cream. I don't even know. We got an email about it. But yeah. So not too shabby living here. It's definitely not the worst thing in the world. My room is really big. A lot bigger than I was expecting. So I'm not mad about it. Here's our laundry room and fridge. So we have a laundry machine and a dryer. It costs $1.50 each, which I think is overpriced. And it doesn't really fit much at all, so you kind of have to squeeze all your clothes in there. And then there's the dryer, also $1.50. And we have these little things to show whose room is there. Using it. But no one really does that. Here's our fridge. So it's a communal fridge, so we all have to share it. Here's my little section. That's not mine. But I have my curry and my gluten-free waffles for when there's nothing to eat here. So I have to share that. And then we also have to share this part of the fridge. And here's my little stash of food. I have my salsa and queso and hummus. I usually have carrots, but I'm out. Yeah, it was a lot more filled last semester. But FIT doesn't let you have your own fridge, so we have to share ours. And look at that. Please label all your food. Please be courteous to your floor mates. And there's drawers. That's someone's lost shirt. Do not throw away. Okay. And then there's our beautiful view. Wow. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is what the bathroom looks like. No one's in here because that would be weird if I was recording. But yeah, this is the best shower because it's the only one that has a seat and 2 hooks. I know it's hard to find here. But yeah, the showers are actually kind of nice. So there's that. And then here's me. This is the sink I always use. This one was really dirty before and they finally fixed it. And look, we have all these little reminders. Do not dump stuff. Great reminder. And then there's also like a random ass bathtub. I don't know anyone that would ever take a bath. That's disgusting. And then we just have our bathroom. Please keep windows closed. LOL. We always open the windows. Alright, and there's our little bathroom tour. Some floors don't have as many showers, so we're kind of lucky because I know the one only has 3 showers, but there's our trash cans and our recycling, of course, and then our water bottle filler upper. Here's our microwave. There's only one in the building because FIT is quote-unquote old, so we can't have a microwave, but so the whole Nagler Hall, all 10 floors of us, have to share one microwave. Someone left the sink, I swear. No one cares about water here. And then there's our shitty little courtyard that we're not allowed in. Here's the workroom, sewing table, and these are, I guess, drawing boards. I've never come down here to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions about living here at all, just let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at jessica.harnett to see my amazing New York adventures. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys.